Okay, I just got this back. I shipped it out to Live Free Armory on Saturday. I believe they got on Tuesday. And today is Thursday. I wonder why they ship it back to me so fast. Did they actually work on it? Or they just return it back to me? I'm curious. Let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see what I got here. Oh, hey. No, I'm pretty sure I didn't send this in with a magazine because they told me that I'm pretty sure I didn't send in. I remember they told me that it's not necessary for me to send in with a magazine, so I'm pretty sure I didn't do it. Is this mine? Well, there's no work order. Nope, he didn't send me a work order. Oh, hey, nope. They replaced from safety. Cool. There, now it doesn't bite my hands anymore. And how about the trigger? You know what? I am impressed because I sent it in on Saturday. They receive on Tuesday. Today's Thursday, so they work on it in one day and ship it right back to me on the same day. Wow, that means this is fast. This is super fast. Wow, I'm impressed. I am really impressed with their service. Okay, what about the trigger? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's still stuck. It's still stuck. So they replaced that, but they didn't work on the trigger. They work on it so fast to replace this, but they didn't do this. They didn't fix this part. Look. Oh, man. All right, let's see. Did they done anything to the trigger beside? You know what? I don't remember exactly how the trigger feel because I didn't have it for very long. Let's see. Okay, I don't feel like I'm dragging through sand and rock. They didn't fix this part. I feel like still dragging. Something rough inside. I don't know what's going on in here. Where's the problem? Why is everything stuck? Okay, sometimes it's stuck, sometimes it doesn't. You know what? I'm gonna open this up and see what the hell is going on in here. But before I do that, I'm going to check something else. You know what? Here's my magazine. So they did send me a magazine free. All my magazine here, so cool. Now I got 6 magazines. That's nice. They put this in here and they gave me this. But they didn't bother to work on the trigger. Or did they work on the trigger? I don't know. Because, like I said, I don't remember exactly how the trigger feel. But I do remember that the trigger feel rough when I pulling it, and I don't feel that anymore. But I do have a lot of up and down movement. But is that the same as before? I don't remember. Yeah, it doesn't feel like dragging through sands and rocks. So anyway, I'm gonna open that up. Did they send me anything else? Nope. They didn't send me a work order. That's weird. I mean, shouldn't they send me a work order? Nope. Anyway, I gotta get closer. Okay, let's see. It's a bit more than 4 pounds. I'm pretty sure in the website or the owner menu say that about 3.5 pounds. Again. One more. Very consistent, around 4 pounds. So 0.5 pound heavier than what they advertised it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up and see for myself. I'm not gonna send it back to have them to fix my trigger. I'm gonna see if I can do it myself. Okay, you know what? I forgot to turn on my camera. All the work I put into this, I don't have anything to show for. But so let me tell you what I did. I sent off all the FDE coating, and then I polish it, make it really nice and smooth. I mean, that make a big difference. Over here, I inside this area right here and here is digging into this. Every time you press into it, dig into the grip. So I have to sand it smooth. Actually I start from sand from here to here inside on both sides of the wall. And that seems to be taking care of it. And also I polish the trigger bowl to like mirror finish, so everything is like completely smooth all the way around. And same thing on the grip on the inside. I also lightly sand it, just take out all the rough edge. So the things like going in, there's no resistance, nothing at all. In here, I polished the sear pin and the trigger pin. Same thing, I polished the face of the sear on both sides, so it's nice and smooth. The leaf spring, I also polished the tip of it, the edge, so to make sure there's nothing that will hang up or any sharp edge on it, so everything is nice and smooth. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I just took my time, make sure everything is smooth inside. So, yep. But unfortunately, I forgot to turn on my camera, so I can't really show exactly what I did. But anyway, I'm pretty happy what I did. Again, it's the first time I did this, so maybe I'll do it again because I think actually this pistol now actually shoot better. I mean, I haven't shot yet, so I wouldn't know. Why is it difficult? Okay. Very smooth. Excellent. Yeah, I'm sorry I forgot to turn on the camera, which is fine because that 2 hours you don't need to spend watching. Okay, so it's done. Just need to wait for the screw to set. Then maybe a couple of days I can take it out to the range again. The trigger got much better. Let me do that again. It's so much fun. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm very happy with it right now, so I can't wait to take this out to play with this. Got so much better. Doesn't bite my hand anymore. This thing doesn't stuck anymore, which is great. And they sent me one extra magazine too. It's awesome. I'm pretty sure I didn't send them a magazine. I have 5. I know I have 5. So they gave me, I don't know how much it is. I think remember it's like $50. So they gave me a new thumb safety. They didn't take care of my trigger, or they didn't fix this problem. So I took care of that. And I lined the trigger just a little bit. I was playing with this, the leaf spring, and just fooling around, and that was fun. It was, I never done that before, the first time. So yeah, I guess I took a chance of screwing up this gun, but it turns out really nice. I'm very happy. And the trigger is just nice. I mean, of course, I'm sure there's better trigger, but for me, this is pretty damn good. Anyway, am I happy with the service? Well, the customer service good. The gunsmithing, I don't know, because they didn't take care of me on this one. They didn't do that. They did this. I'm not sure they did this or not. But I figured out what the problem was. It was the 3D print grip. It's like rubbing this part right over here. So once I sand this part smooth on both sides, and also smooth out inside the grip too, polish just about everything, and it turned out to be a really good gun. Well, I maybe spoke too soon. I haven't shot this yet. I need to shoot this and see how's everything work out. But so far, it feels really good. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.